Wireless control, easy to install. This firework igniter system have one channel. It can ignite various kinds of electronic fireworks directly, or ordinary fireworks through an electric ignition head, which reduces accidents like skin burn and accidental explosions. Disposable electric ignition head and reusable electric ignition head are optional. The ignition controller can be operated by remote control from any place within a reliable distance. Wireless signal can pass through walls, floors, doors or windows. Turn on the power switch on the controller, and press the button on the remote control. If signal LED flashes, it means that firework igniter system is in good condition. Turn off the power switch on the controller and connect two wires of each electronic firework to red and black terminals, then turn on the power switch on the controller. If signal LED is on, it means that fireworks connection is correct. Turn on the power switch on the controller, press button on the remote control. The firework will be ignited.